Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have for you guys a really cool application that lets you make money in many different ways. But before I show you guys this incredible application, if you want more awesome money making videos showing how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so before I get into the video, I want to show you guys the money that I earned from this app super quickly. And if you see here, they sent me to my PayPal $10 USD, and you can see here it says roll points $10 reward. This is in my email, and if you check my PayPal, which I am logged into right here, you can see that it was also sent and verified through PayPal. You can see here it's completed $10, and once again it has the note that this was a $10 reward that I redeemed through roll points. Now if you want to see how I redeemed it and how I earned the points for this, keep on watching the video and I'll explain exactly step by step what you need to do in order to get your own rewards. Alright, so the app I'm going to show you guys today, or I guess the website, as you know from earlier, is called Roll Points, and you can see that on the top of my browser right here. I'll also put this in the description below so that you'll have access to that yourself. So, now once you get this app, you're going to see when you open it, there's going to be some points in the top right corner of your screen, and you can see right now I have 9,900 points. And let's go check out the rewards real quick so you can see what different rewards they have, and after that I will go through the different ways to make money, and there's a lot of them, so stick around for that if you want to see every different way that you can do to make money. So now when you go on the points, you just tap your points and you'll be brought to this screen where you'll be able to see the different rewards that you can buy. So you can see here they have some top rewards, which are Uber cards, $15 and $25 Uber gift cards. They have Adidas, they have Target, Xbox, AMC, iTunes, Amazon, which as I said before is my favorite personally. They have Google Play gift cards, Starbucks, and so on. So you can see here that they do have a lot of different gift cards and rewards that you can choose from once you make your points. And therefore you can buy whatever you want essentially, because you're not limited by the options of rewards that you can get, because they have so many different ones. And like I said, especially Amazon, you can buy pretty much anything that you want off of Amazon. So that's a really great deal. So yeah, I need 10,000 points to redeem for a gift card. I'm about to get an Amazon gift card. As you can see, I need 10,000 points. So I'll show you guys what you can do to get points, and I'll also get that last 100 points so that I can redeem for the Amazon gift card. So now let's go back here, and you can see here that one way you can earn points is to tweet. So you just tap on tweet, and if you tweet the post, then you'll get 100 points. I don't think I'm logged into Twitter right now, so I can't show you guys that, but it's really simple and really an easy way to get a free 100 points. Alright, so now besides that, there's some other things here you can see in this extra tab. They have a $100 or $500 PayPal giveaway. So if you just enter this, if you install 3 apps and you refer one friend, you can qualify for this giveaway. And you might be lucky and you might win a $500 PayPal gift card. Or I guess $500 deposited into your PayPal. Another thing you can do is this lucky spin. And essentially all you have to do is press on spin right here. You get 3 spins for free, as you can see on the top. And you'll get the different rewards that are listed on the spin. So let's see what we get right now. So look at that, we have received 1 point. And now we have 2 more spins, so let's tap on spins. And let's see what we get. Alright, so now we received 2 free spins, which means we have 3 spins now. And you can see you can just keep on repeating this, and you might get lucky and win a whole lot of points or a whole lot of spins. And you can see here you can get like 10 points. There's a couple 1 points, you can get more spins. So that's a really simple way to earn some more points. One of the main ways though, and one that I highly recommend, is to do referrals, because you can earn 25% of whatever your referrals earn. And this is unlimited, so each time your referrals earn points, you'll get 25% of their points, which is super good. And you can see here, this is my referral code, MM_YT. So yeah, you can do that. And you can also share your unique URL on websites, on YouTube. You can make your own video like I'm doing here. You can go on Twitter, you can email it to your friends, and go on Facebook, and so on. So those are many different ways that you can earn points just through referrals. So you're basically doing nothing, and you can earn easy points, especially if you can get a lot of referrals if, let's say, your post or your video goes big or whatever. But now the main way to earn points, and the one that I really want to go through, is to install applications. And in order to do that, what you have to do here is you need to go onto one of these apps. So let's say, for example, I wanted to download this Cyber Ghost VPN and Wi-Fi proxy. So you can see here, it says that you can earn 120 points. You won't receive points if you previously completed the offer, and all you have to do is to install, create an account, and start a free trial. So let's try that out. So let's tap on install here, and you can see here it's going to open up my App Store app, and then tap on get. Alright, so now the app is downloading, and it should be done pretty soon here. So now we tap on open, and now you can see here it gave me this Cyber Ghost thing. Alright, so now I have made my account, and it's saying here to sign up for a 7-day free trial. So I'll do that real quick. Alright, so now I have gotten the free trial, and you can see here that I am on the app. And now all I have to do is just mess around for a little bit, press some different buttons, turn this thing on, I guess. I mean, you don't really have to allow any sort of permissions or anything. But yeah, so now after, let's say, a minute, what you can do is you can go back into the app right here, and if you did it long enough, you'll be rewarded the points. So now you can see here that I do now have 10,000 points, and that means that I can redeem for a gift card. Alright, so now if you go back up here, and then if you can see now I have 10,171 points actually, because of the app I just downloaded. So now if I go down to the gift card that I want, let's say that I want PayPal. So now I just tap on PayPal credit, and then it'll ask for an email where they can send you a reward. And any sort of extra info, you don't need that for PayPal. And then tap on confirm. Alright, so now yeah, if you look at my total points now, I lost 10,000 points because I bought the PayPal, and now you can see here in my redeems that I have a $10 PayPal in progress.
And as you saw from the proof at the beginning of the video, they do pay out, so they're definitely very trustworthy, and you can definitely expect to get your money quickly and easily. Alright guys, so that's everything. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.